Hey everybody, welcome to 7702 Jason Court here in beautiful Liberty Township, Ohio. This house features just over 2,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and Lakota local schools. Let's go take a look. So as we come into the home here, we've got a 2-story entryway, which flows nicely into the formal living room here, where you have this huge window, which lets in a ton of natural light on a beautiful day like today. Vaulted ceilings in here, and then incredibly nice laminate floors, which flow all the way through into the dining room here, and then into the kitchen. All right, so flowing into the kitchen here, we've got the same beautiful laminate floors throughout. In the kitchen features granite countertops, which flow nicely into the actual living area, where you can then walk out onto the beautiful deck over the backyard. So out here, we've got this beautiful deck and patio, perfect for entertaining. The entire yard is also totally fenced in. Bedrooms 2 and 3 up here feature a great Jack and Jill bathroom, perfect for kids. So the master bedroom also features this beautiful bathroom with tile floors, a huge jetted tub, walk-in shower, double vanity with granite countertops. The master bedroom features this amazing balcony, which is perfect for that morning cup of coffee. So the basement features almost 600 square feet of totally finished space with a walkout directly to the backyard. The basement also features another full bedroom, full bathroom, which could absolutely be used as a guest suite. I hope you've enjoyed your tour of 7702 Jason Court here in Liberty Township, Ohio. Schedule your tour today.